Hey Shiny! Welcome to Disneyland! Disneyland Hong Kong! Ready ka na?
Ready na!
Ayos! Let's go! Disneyland Hong Kong! Disneyland! Okay ba? Ano yan? Train station. Okay. Kita mo ba yung castle?
Yes!
Okay, oh. Aha. Okay, let's go. Okay? Ayan yung castle, oh. Ano ngayon? 3D naman, 3D. Aha. Okay. Saan naman tayo?
Sa Toy Story Land.
Sa Toy Story Land naman. Okay, let's go. Ready na? Ayan na, oh, Toy Story Land.
I'm Sheriff Woody, and the only rule around
Si
here,
Woody, oh.
have a great time.
Ano, saan naman tayo? Haunted Mansion.
Yes, punta tayo sa Haunted Mansion.
Ayan, oh. Haunted Mansion. Wala nang ulan, ano? Buti naman.
Medyo meron konti ambon-ambon na lang.
Ambon-ambon na lang, tama. Ano, saan tayo? Kung ano makita.
Oo, sige.
Let's go. After you. O yung mukhang ano to, oh, roller coaster ride. Ayan, oh. Sakay tayo dyan. Masyadong mystic ang lugar na to. Let's go. Ayan, oh, roller coaster ride. Mamaya sakay tayo dyan pag nagbukas na. Magbubukas daw maya maya kasi huminto na ang ulan. River Safari. Tomorrowland. Iron Man. Hi. Papa-picture ka kay Iron Man. Okay, cheese! Okay, got it. O tara, i-check natin yung Iron Man experience na yon. Let's go! Jungle River Cruise. Ready na? Let's go!
All your own belongings, especially electronic goods and cameras and phones. And also parents, please. This elephant will really love to take me. What are you? Oh no. Be careful, this one is even. So, this is the middle of the river. They sound so starving. If the things we all have to swim back, and in fact, we don't know how to swim at all. And for those guys who are climbing up the trees, you can just simply ignore them because they jumped out of my boat last time, guys. Remember, don't learn from them and stay still. So please stay quiet. Don't let them discover us. This is live, guys. Black tide. Oh no! It seems that he kept us inside. Oh, what should we do, guys? Oh no! Oh, guys! What shall we do now? My God is right here. Oh, this is not the plan already. Let's go. Oh, finally we're back again. Are you guys all good?
Yeah,
Yeah, still alive?
we're still alive.
We're still in the jungle, yay. And at the very end of our journey. And guys, after you left the jungle, please don't miss us so much. If you
Ano? Okay ba, Shiny?
Ayos.
Enjoy.
Oo, sobrang
Araw na kaya
enjoy.
naka-sunglasses na ako. So, yeah, having fun in Disneyland. So, lakad-lakad pa tayo.
Okay.
Balik pa tayo mga rides.
Tara.
Let's go! Train ride! Uy, hey! Nandiyan ka na pala sa loob.
Maybe you try to, yeah, take, yeah, have a little bit. flatland on the other side is Kowloon Peninsula,
I
but we
see.
just call it Kowloon in short.
Okay.
But you know, like behind the mountains, you see the mountains, like all the way back behind it is actually a bigger piece of land called the New Territories.
I see.
Yeah, and that New Territories is connected to mainland China,
I see.
but they have a border in between, of course.
Okay.
But this is basically Hong Kong.
A pagoda. A pagoda. I mean, look at this, folks. A garden in the middle of the city.
Yeah.
Look
It
at
doesn't
those
feel like Hong
buildings.
Kong,
Right, exactly.
We're just in a very busy city center, dirty street and all that. Now we're here.
Right, right. So Hong Kong, huh?
Yes.
Very.
It is, yeah.
That's our hotel. The colorful one. The one with green, orange, and blue windows. Yeah, that's our hotel.
Weather is nicer now. Interesting.
We're lucky today.
Yeah.
So we can see the harbor from here.
Also the tallest building.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Yeah, on the other side, Kowloon.
Nice.
Yeah. It's like a hidden gem here, I would say.